Okay, over on the Mason stand, we got Ethan Cartwright from Warren County, number 49 Farmall. After Ethan, I need Donald Harper, Gerard Bowman, Jason Birdsong, and Tommy Birdsong. Your winners on the 3,500-pound farm stock. First place goes to Houston Jackson with a score of 176.90. Second place goes to Robert Reeves with a score of 175.21. Third place goes to Robert Brown with a score of 170.42. Okay, over on the Mackey side, we got Zach Cartwright from Eagleville come see on the M Farmall. After Zach, I need Tom Draper and Chris Cochran. Over on the Collier sled, we need Chris Adcock. Chris Adcock, your turn to pull up. After Chris, I need Brendan Harper, Lisa Mayfield, Andy Redden, Justin Birdsong, Matthew Smith.
$271.44. $271.44, Mr. John England. Put him in first place in that class at the 5,000 farm stock. We need Dustin Goodwin, Eagleville on the M Farmall, then J.D. Davis on the Massey, then Taylor Crawford, then Hayden Thomas, then Peyton Windrow. This is Zach Cartwright on the Mankey sled.